This is the second video on Mindvalley. So remember the last time we talked about the origins and the founder of Mindvalley, that it's not Christian based and so forth. And today we're going to quickly finish off the second part with the core philosophy of Mindvalley. Now, the underlying worldview would be called conscious human evolution. This is the idea that humans can evolve deliberately. That is to say, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. But that can only be happening through self-awareness and learning. So its core beliefs includes the mind is the key to shaping reality. That is to say that reality hacking or bending reality can benefit us. Now, secondly, they say at Mindvalley that education systems are outdated and that personal growth should be lifelong and not, so to speak, a subject at school. The third one that they mention is that the universe is conscious or intelligent in some form. The next one is that spirituality should be inclusive. That is to say that no specific religion should take the place of spirituality. The next one is personal transformation leads to collective transformation. Societal change through inner change. So that is the big concept.